know how I create my fluid pours? Just keep watching. Hi everybody, welcome. Thanks for joining me. My name is Soraya, and if you're new, please consider subscribing. Today's video is all about this fluid pour. It's a commission. It's on a 36-inch by 60-inch canvas. It's huge. And I just love the way it turned out. I had specific colors that I had to work with, and I just love the colors myself. So keep watching to the end to see how I created this. Here are my colors. The white, I'm gonna just pour on, and then I'll start blowing it all out. See the consistency? Needs to be loose but not watery for it to blow. Okay, so I'm just gonna start, and I've got 3 of these. I hope I have enough paint. Wish me luck. I had another white from another project, and so I decided to use it. It's a little bit different, but in the end it really didn't make much difference. It still worked with the painting. So when I started the painting, I had a really good idea of what I wanted it to look like in the end. So when I'm putting the paint down, I needed to put it in a certain order and in a certain placement, so it worked out the way I wanted. As soon as I started painting, I knew that I did not have enough white paint, so I had to stop and make a couple more cups. And it's a large painting, it really needed it, and sometimes it happens. I wanted to mention that I mix my paints with 2 parts Floetrol and 1 part paint. And I also add a little bit of water, and a little bit is basically 1 teaspoon in each cup. Sometimes too, it depends on how thick the paint is. So how you blow the paint really determines the final outcome of it. So you really should have a good idea of what you want the painting to look like in the end. And how much paint you put on and how you blow it, in what direction, it all makes a big difference in the end. If you overblow, it just becomes muddled and it doesn't look very good. So you have to have a balance of all of that to make a really beautiful painting. When I'm worried and I can't sleep, I count my blessings instead of sheep, and I fall asleep, counting my blessings. When my bankroll is is getting small. I think of when I had none at all, and I fall asleep, counting my blessings. I'm so happy with the gold that I chose. It is just outstanding. It really shines and shimmers, and it really makes the painting. So here's another tip. When you are blowing, it should be on low, and you should have your setting on cool. It's not a very good idea to heat the paint. Part of the commission was that it would stand on its own. So in other words, I would not need to enhance it. She wanted it to look very abstract. And so I worked very hard to make sure that she got what she wanted. Here it is from my side. I love it. It is just beautiful, and there's a lot of glare right now because of the lights. But once it gets dried, I will show you. Look at that beautiful lace ink and the cells in there. It is just beautiful. Just the simple colors that she wanted. And you know I love these colors myself. I love working with them. It just makes such a big impact, and it is a huge canvas. But the colors themselves make a beautiful impact. They're simple and elegant. There you go. If you click on the link now, you can see more of my fluid pours. Here it is all dried up. Look at that. It is so beautiful. It took about 3 days to dry. Wow, there's some shadow there. I will move it for you so you can see how it shines. There you go. Look at that. So much beautiful detail. There, look at that. Lots of lace ink, but subtle. And then a little bit of the black to really ground the painting. I think it really needed that. And then I just love this part here. It's gorgeous. And look at the detail here. It is so beautiful. I think she's gonna love it.